Hello guys and welcome to Clear Talking YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to boost sound of your PC while using Chrome without speakers. Firstly open Chrome and now click on the menu option on the top right corner of the screen. Now click on More Tools and then Extension. Now click on menu on the top left corner of the screen and open Chrome Web Store. In the search box type Sound Booster and hit enter. Now select the shown extension and click on Add to Chrome button and the extension will get added to your Chrome browser. Once the extension is active in your browser, open YouTube. Now click on Extension button and click on Sound Booster. Now adjust the volume and you will hear the difference in the audio. Link of the extension used in this video is also provided in the video description. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestion on the video, please share the same in the video comment.